wood chip garden. There they are right there. And the nice thing is you don't have to dig them up. You just pull out, and then you might want to root around a little bit, but I think you get them all pretty much when you pull them. And then just grab them there. And now that one left them all in the ground, looks like. Let's see what's down in there. Oh, here's one, and here's a nice one. Sometimes they stay behind for some reason. There's a little marble there. So then you have to work for them a little bit. But this is my first year doing wood chips. There's some good things and bad things about it so far, but I'm learning yet. There they are. This is an old potato. I don't save that. I just like to see. Here's another one. So these I actually planted in the ground, dug down and put them in there. For some other ones I had, I just laid them on top of the ground. So hopefully these are. That didn't do what anything there. Here we go. Another one here. And a couple there. Let's see if anything else down in there. Yep. There's two of them. So yeah, that one's kind of rotten right there. So what's going on right there? Check on that.
Oh.
There's a nice one, you can see. Nice big potato, fairly good size. These I didn't cut, I just laid the whole potato in the ground, as you can see. And
you're not going to put it back in the ground?
I don't think so. Probably plant something else here. Just buy me some seed next year. If we may have some left over from this year. Usually a few stay behind anyway. Start growing again like that one. I almost missed that. I will say it's about the easiest harvest I ever did. Now these here, I got some Yukons in here. These were left over from last year. I mean, these are cherry, not Yukons. These are, those other ones are Yukon Goes. These are the red potato. I'm not sure. They didn't do all that hot. That was a leftover from last year. But they send out long runners. So sometimes it's hard to tell where you'll find a potato off of them. Because they'll go way out and do their thing. But anyhow, here's another one here.